May I proceed?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 to 7, Your Lordship.
When Vedak Bam is here,
Yes, Your Lordship.
it is definitely for an adjournment. Yes,
The consent of the all the parties in this case from item number 3 to 7, Your Lordship.
3 to
7, Your Lordship.
7.
Yes, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of Vedak Bam, when it comes for the
Petitioner,
list it after 6 weeks.
maybe
Yes,
after vacation,
after vacation.
puja break.
Okay, it will automatically come also. We'll again adjourn after 6 weeks. You will come again. Yes.
In item number 6, interim order is there.
Interim order passed earlier in WBC 271
Yes.
of 2021. Shall continue until further orders.
Right, Lord. My question.
Yes.
I'd like to mention item number 11 and 12 on behalf of senior advocate M. Parthan.
Which one? Item,
11 and 12.
okay.
Lordship, due to some personal difficulty, he couldn't come here. Lordship.
On the
Kindly-
prayer of Mr.
Yes,
Take Yatso, London Council for the petitioner,
Lordship.
list it after 6 weeks.
Lordship, kindly after 1 week, he has some personal.
This is 2023 matter. What is the urgency?
Lordship,
If your life and liberty, if your life, liberty and property is in danger, you make a mention, we'll take it. After 6 weeks.
Your Lordship, item number 1, Lordship.
Yes,
The conducting council is absolutely.
on the prayer of Mr.
G. Talo for the petition.
G. Talo.
Yes, sir.
You are Mr. G. Talo.
No, on behalf of G. Talo.
Okay, on the prayer made on behalf of Mr. G. Talo, London Council for the petitioner, list it after 4 weeks.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 15.
Yes,
Conducting council and Pada, due to bad health, he could not attend today. So matter may be adjourned. Moreover, consent have been taken from the other side.
after 6 weeks. On the
My
prayer-
lord, there is an interim order also.
Huh?
Interim order is there.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr.
B. Kamdak on behalf of Pada.
No, you are also there.
Yeah.
We conduct learned counsel for the petitioner with the consent of Mr. A. Apang. A. Apang,
Sorry, my lord.
with the consent of whom?
Yes,
Mr. A. Apang, learned senior counsel for whom? He is appearing for whom?
State
For the
election
State
commission.
Election Commission listed after 6 weeks. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Most of right.
Mayor Lordship. I like to mention item number 16.
Item number
16 on behalf of the.
16.
Yeah.
Yes,
We have taken consent from this.
okay. You are Mr.
Respondent.
On the prayer of, you are for the respondent.
Yeah.
Okay, which respondent? Is spread for listed after 6 weeks. All right. Item 16.
16.
Yes.
Your Honors, I would like to mention item number 10.
Item number,
Item number 10, we are, in this case, we are waiting for instruction from department for filing academic in opposition.
okay, on the prayer of Mr.
I, on behalf of T. Jamo,
T. Jamo. On the prayer on behalf of Mr. T. Jamo, listed after 6 weeks for filing of a counter affidavit.
My lord, may I made the mention item number, my lord, 9.
9.
My lord,
Yes.
I'm supposed to file the affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the FCI, my lord. So my lord, today I'm filing the affidavit in reply. So therefore, my lord, the mayor, my lord, the matter may be listed on some other day, subject to
On the
convenience.
prayer of Mr. M. Patil, on the GSGY.
While I have a small objection that the matter is pertaining to settlement of the NIT, my lord, tender matter. And the current tender will expire on 26, my lord. So there is the urgency. That's why the matter was fixed today. If, my lord, if it is not inconvenient to your lord, can it be taken up on 29, my lord?
My lord,
29.
28, my lord.
28, my lord.
Okay, on the prayer on council for the parties, listed on 28.
My lord.
28, my lord. 28 of September.
28.
In the meantime, my lord, I'll file affidavit in reply to the affidavit.
Today itself.
Today itself, my lord. My lord, there is a interim order. My lord.
Interim order. You have got a petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Item number
9.
okay. All the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Madam, deeply of
Lordship, beg to mention item number 19, 20 and 21. can be taken up on after 2 weeks,
19,
20 and 21.
okay, up to 4 weeks, 2 weeks, huh? 3 weeks, okay, on the parallel on the council for the parties listed up to 3 weeks,
Of like
19, 20, 21. Okay.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
My lord, here, I am praying for some time, my lord, to file reply, ma'am, to the counter affidavit filed by the state.
On the prayer of Mr. K, do we list it after 4 weeks for filing of a reply to the counter affidavit filed by the state?
Highly obliged.
Yeah, Malad. I pray that this matter may be disposed of today, Malad.
Yes.
On the last occasion, Malad, the instruction was called for, Malad.
Hmm.
Whether the respondent authorities is interested to occupy, acquire my land or not. Last order, Malad.
Malad, my friend, Malad, one more chance may be granted, Malad, let me fix for me. 25 Malad.
Issue is very simple. Malad.
25 Malad, Monday. Then I will put it there. Malad, I've already communicated to the Malad department. And they are supposed to Malad publish the reply. Malad. By Monday, Malad, I'll come with the
Monday?
Okay.
Okay,
development.
on the prayer of M. Kappa, Monday.
Obliged. Lord, I am waiting for filing their counter affidavit. They are yet to file.
Yes,
Lord, we will need some time, Lord.
huh?
We are yet to receive instruction, Lord. We need some
Okay,
time.
Mr.
Quota.
M. Kyoda Appa, then counsel for the petitioner and Ms. G. Ete, then the additional senior government advocate who prays for him is granted for the 4 weeks time to
Yes.
file counter affidavit. Listed
Great.
after 4 weeks. Yes,
This is the bail matter on the last occasion and Lordship had directed the standing council
have you received instruction?
My lord, yes. And I placed the on the. My lord, as per instruction, my lord, this referral was issued at his instances, my lord, on his insistence, my lord, on his
Okay.
request.
Ah.
And it is said, my lord, as per here, my lord, the surgery can be done here, the dreams also. But since he's the patient, he's asking for option for doing there at the Nigrims. That's why, my lord, it become
Have Mr. Deep Pang, counsel for the petitioner?
My lord, may I?
Yes.
Even if it's done here also,
Uh,
can my learned friend take instructions whether by that can be done if he is there in jail also?
uh-huh.
If by being there in jail, the operation can be done. If my learned friend can take instructions on that also.
No, I cannot
Laminate,
What did you say?
because he will be in jail if this operation can be carried out here. So if it will be a conducive place, whether we will need some treatments to rest outside or not. I was just having a look. Laminectomy is removal of vertebrae. I don't know if we will be in a position there in jail.
No, I am unable to get you. Speak in the mic.
This procedure, laminectomy that has been referred to here,
Uh,
is removal of a vertebra. So whether in such a situation, it will be possible to have the patient in the jail and have it operated at trips.
I don't know. But you have misrepresented. You have not filed this bail application. Bona fide.
My lord, this instruction, my lord,
See, the intervention which is required
Yes.
to the accused can be very well done at TRIMS.
yes,
You insisted the doctor that you be recommended to Negrims. Why not Apollo, Chennai, what is that?
That is-
CMC below?
that is something that
So
the lawyer cannot answer, but
you did not disclose that though the intervention can be very well performed in the TRIMS, yet you would like to go to Negrims. But you said you have been referred to Negrims.
yes, yes. That is
So the
that-
bona fide of this bail application is in doubt. The applicant has not filed this bail application by candidly disclosing the facts. That has been established.
appears so, yes, because this was, we are also not told, but I'm just
Under the
making a submission.
circumstances, what order can follow? Naturally, the bail has to be rejected.
But I am submitting, my lord. As my learned friend has submitted, that is referred here also. Maybe we thought it would be better there in next, maybe that is why the request was made. Maybe he thought, the accused person thought that they will get better treatment than Negrims.
Maybe the accused person thought that in Negrims it will be better.
Maybe, but
Why not below?
my lord, I don't know, but I'm just
Why
making a
not,
submission.
why not the Delhi Aims?
Maybe because of financial conditions also.
Have Mr. Deep Pang, counsel for the petitioner and Mr. M. Kato, the standing counsel
For CBI.
for the CBI. As well as Mr. T. Tagum, learned standing counsel for the Health Department, who has entered appearance on the request made by this court in terms of order dated 13/9/2023. This is an application under section 439 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973, seeking bail of the accused applicant, namely Sri Talung Jomang, in connection with CBI case number RC01, etc., under section 120B 406 409 420 IPC, read with section 7/8 13(2) of the PC Act 1988 on medical ground. By order dated 13/9/2023, this court had passed the following order. You quote from, you quote this 13/9 order. Pursuant to the order dated 13/9/2023, Mr. Tagum, learned standing counsel for the Health Department, has produced a letter dated 16 September 2023, written to him by the Chief Medical Superintendent, TRIMS, Nahalagan, by number so and so, wherein it has been stated that the Hmm. Recommended medical intervention for which the accused was referred to Nigrims, Shillong, by Dr. Tai Murtam, junior specialist stream orthopedics, junior special orthopedics streams. Was so done at the instance of the accused, semicolon, whereas the required medical intervention can very well be performed at TRIMS Nahalagan. So in view of the above, it is found that the instant bail application on medical ground has been filed by the petitioner without candidly disclosing the correct facts. So, in that view of the matter, I'm not inclined to grant. In view of the above, the instant bail application is hereby rejected. So, copy of the letter dated 16 September 2023, written to the standing council. You are a standing council for TRIMS also? Okay, a standing council TRIMS. Then instead of health department, TRIMS by the chief medical superintendent, TRIMS Hospital Nahalagan is written on record, and which shall be marked as X for which shall be marked as X for identification.
But in any case, he needs treatment. There may be some observation that in the event because he may be treated here.
We file a different application, but in the facts and circumstances of the case, no observation is called for.
My lord, in my humble submission, there to advise my lord, maybe the communication gap between the council who took instruction, maybe he did not ask that.
This bail application has not been rejected on merit. It has been rejected because you have suppressed, you have not candidly disclosed the facts.
That is what I'm submitting. My lord.
You-
The
you
advice, my
may-
lord,
you
maybe
may-
because the council who took the instruction did not ask this, otherwise this should have been.
That we don't know.
Otherwise, there's no point. But in any case, he needs treatment, my lord. Here also maybe.
That is undoubtedly, then you may take appropriate steps.
Because if I come now, this should be.
See,
dismissed now.
See, if the, we don't
Apparently-
know, see, we don't know. You and I cannot know about the health issues. If the medical intervention is required at this stage,
Yes.
and if
says-
if it can be performed at TRIMS,
Yes.
he can very well be shifted at the TRIMS as per the procedure. We don't know what, you have to take those steps.
Yeah.
And if you want to come to this court, you will have to file an application candidly disclosing the actual facts.
Yes, that is what I'm saying, my lord.
So
Maybe
in
because-
this application, no further observation is called for in the manner the application has been filed. But since you require medical intervention, you may take appropriate steps.
Right.
It may be,
That is
it may
necessary.
be possible for him to be shifted to the TRIMS.
Only thing is, but it most probably happened because maybe the council who also took this instruction, maybe did not ask
That's-
this
we
properly.
don't-
Otherwise, there's no point doing it.
Okay.
Okay.
None appears listed after 4 weeks. You are there? Okay. None appears for the petitioner. You are there, Tagum Jama.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, I'll be filing, my lord. I received the instruction, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
No, no, my lord, I'm for respondent. 7.
Oh, yes, Tava Tagum.
Yes.
Tagum Jama is there. None appears for the petitioner. Third, Mr. Kyoda Appa. For which respondent? Wait. Respondent number 5 and Mr. T. Tagum, London Council for?
Health department.
Okay, London Standing Council for Health Department. Since the London Council for the petitioner is not present today, after 4 weeks.
Okay, we need some time to file affidavit.
Mr. Kyoda Appa.
Miller.
Yes,
Still, I'm waiting for filing their counter affidavit.
counter affidavit. This is item number 20?
22.
22. Okay. Kyoda Appa, London Council for the petitioner. And Miss R. Vasa, London Government Advocate, who press for.
3 weeks. I'm not sure.
You are appearing for whom?
Appearing for private response, 3 and 4.
Have you filed affidavit?
I'm filing affidavit, Wakalatama for respondent number 4 today.
Okay.
It has already been filed.
All that for the R. Vasa for the government advocate. Who respondent 1 and 2, as well as Mr.
B. Ganga.
B. Ganga, London Council, respondent number 3 and 4. Who press for and is granted 6 weeks, for the 6 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Listed after 6 weeks.
Obliged.
Lordship, our affidavit is ready, Lordship, we'll be filing it shortly.
None appears for the petitioner, heard Miss P. Sangita, London Government Advocate, who submits that the counter affidavit is ready for filing, for which she pressed for and is granted 2 weeks time to file the counter affidavit by the state.
Obliged.
Listed after 4 weeks.
In item number 22, interim is there. Please kindly continue. there.
Interim order pass, I'll just say, continue till the next date of listing, item 22.
Grateful.
Yes. None appears for the petitioner, heard Mr. D. Laji.
My lord, my humble prayer is that after obtaining the interim order, petitioner is not interested in pursuing the
What is the matter about?
this eviction matter.
Oh, the Dapur is a matter.
Yes, my lord, stranger has filed. Not to the person whom eviction order has issued.
What have you filed affidavit?
I have already filed.
Lordship, I have not found the Lordship.
You have not filed,
No, Lordship, I think it's not required.
not required.
Every, we have followed every procedure while within giving the action order. Lordship. We have come against the thesis order, appellate orders,
Basically, eviction order is issued to another person.
otherwise also petitioner doesn't have any case Lordship here. Lordship. There was.
Which is the order challenge?
Annexure 1,
Page number
page number 19, my lord.
19.
19 and page number 20 also, my lord. And then page 21 also. Basically, these orders are issued to one Diga mailing, not to the petitioner.
Okay. Diga Niling. And the petitioner is the son of Diga Niling, I think.
Yes, yes, ma'am. But there is no such authority or anything like that.
Otherwise, on merit, what is the case?
And marriage also because he is no locus standi, my lord. He is forcefully staying in my quarter premises by erecting a OBT house. I have annexed the photograph also, my lord.
Yes. Are you appearing in this case? Item 24.
My lord, here in this case, my lord, no doubt eviction order was issued in the name of petitioner father. But my lord, petitioner has applied the allotment in his name, my lord. Petitioner has applied allotment in his name, my lord. Allotment application is in the name of the petitioner only, my lord. Petitioner. And electricity bill is also paying in the name of petitioner only, your lord.
As and when the land will be allotted to you, then you occupy the land. But by submitting an application, you can't occupy the land. Then it will create a very dangerous precedent.
My lord, government is supposed to file reply by bringing some records, my lord.
No, their contention is this proceeding before the estate officer and the deputy commissioner was against Diga Niling.
My lord,
Who are you?
I am a son of Diganil, my lord.
Son and father are two different entities.
My lord, that's what I'm saying, my lord. Allotment was, application for the allotment was
Ask
applied,
Mr. L. Kudu.
my lord.
L. Kudu, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Miss G. Ete, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate for R3. Is not it? Deputy Commissioner. 3 and 4.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. D. Ladi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 5. This writ petition is directed against the order dated 24 July 2023 issued by the ESC cum estate officer by memo number so and so at page 19. Where one Sri Diga Niling has been directed to demolish the structure located within the premises of GA/T-1, Pion Colony, Daporizhzhia. Constructed by Gangam Niling. He is the petitioner.
Yes.
Okay, constructed by Gangam Niling.
And my lord, appeal was also filed on behalf of the Gangam Niling only, petitioner only before the deputy commissioner, my lord.
Lordship, this order is after rejection of the appeal. Appellate order only. Appeal. Appeal rejection.
Son of Sri Diga Niling. After the appeal was filed by Diga Niling.
By the
No,
by the petitioner, my lord.
Actually, initial order was issued again, Diga Niling. Appeal was filed by the Gangam Niling. Yes, his son filed an appeal. And he claimed that he constructed a house. Also, because of that, in this order, it has been reflected that the house was constructed by Gangam Niling. In the initial order, earlier order, it says same was constructed by Diga Niling.
Where is it?
Next page, madam, very next page.
Page 20.
Yes, ma'am. In the last line, and last paragraph, madam. 20.
My lord, in page number,
Just a
No.
minute. After the appeal filed by,
Gangam Niling, petitioner.
okay, after appeal was filed by,
Petitioner.
Petitioner.
Eviction orders issued against Diga Niling.
My lord, there are in the 24 latest eviction order, it was issued against the petitioner only. My lord. After the disposal of the appeal, the eviction order was issued against the petitioner only. My lord. That is page number 24, page number 19, my lord. So, my lord, here government authority concerned, their responsibility require whether the house is under post position, my lord. Which one is, my lord, there, since they have issued a eviction order against the petitioner father as well as against the petitioner. Since why petitioner has filed this petition? Because, my lord, technically the land is under the possession of the petitioner only, my lord. Because he applied the allotment application and he is paying the electricity bill in his name. So, my lord, technically the land is under the possession of petitioner only, my lord.
let the government file affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
There is some discrepancy.
My lord,
Why not?
may I take, my lord, clarify. Page, first order was issued on June 5 against the
June 5 to whom?
Diga Niling.
Diga Niling.
Yes,
Yes.
and that eviction order here petitioner is challenged. Deputy Commissioner.
Petitioner had challenged.
Yes, madam. Accordingly, on 30 June, order was passed, interim order.
Yes.
And in compliance of that, after the
How-
passing of
no,
order
ju-
by appellate authority.
Just a
They-
moment, just a moment.
Yes, madam.
How could this petitioner challenge the order passed against Diga Niling?
Exactly, my lord.
So Deputy Commissioner ought not to have entertained that appeal,
Yes, my lord.
is not it?
Yes, my lord. They entertained, considered his case. And
Ah.
even after considering his case, then only rejected his appeal.
Then if the appeal filed by this petitioner
Yes, my lord.
was dismissed,
Dismissed, my lord.
then demolition order ought to have been issued to the petitioner. Why Diga Niling? Huh?
Since my lord, the initial
So-
order is against the Diga Niling.
That is why,
Lordship can dispose of the matter on merit, Lordship.
that is, you file affidavit. That is why appeals should, like the central act, should lie to the district judge, not the deputy commissioner.
My lord,
Mr. L. Kudu,
my lord.
L. Kudu, will come petitioner. Mr. Ms. G.H. Additional Senior Governor Ruke, representing respondent 3 and 4, and Mr. D. Lazil on council for the respondent number 5. Respondent number 5 is filed a counter affidavit. On the prayer of Ms. D. G.H. Additional Senior Governor Ruke, listed after 3 weeks for filing of the counter affidavit by respondent number 3 and 4. Interim order passes
My lord,
till the next date.
Because my lord, I
Obligation.
have a difficulty in my approaching my own quarter, my lord. They have constructed house such a way, my lord. They have not left any space for.
Let the affidavit come.
Obligation.
Your Lordship, last time we were asked to seek instructions regarding the status of the land, Your Lordship.
Status of the land.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is this matter about?
This is eviction matter, madam.
Acquisition
Eviction matter.
or eviction?
Your Lordship, we need some further clarifications regarding the records which they have sent to us, Your Lordship.
I don't know. See, what clarification? I don't know about the case also.
Well, in fact, as per the order dated 08/2023, the record was called from the respondent matter.
Your Lordship, it's for order dated 1/8/23, Your Lordship.
1/8/23.
The records containing the land premise near the government higher secondary school boys hostel, rowing plot number 402, which is stated to have been earmarked for government higher secondary school boys hostel. That report, Your Lordship. I'm praying, Your Lordship, I may be given some more time
What for?
regarding clarifications. I need some clarifications, Your Lordship.
No. First of all, what instruction was you were supposed to receive? You just wait for a minute. Let me read this order. Then I will clear you. Since you are not telling the case. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What have you received?
We have received the register, Your Lordship.
Register?
Yes. Wherein it's entry, this one, Your Lordship, 403, plot number 403.
Hmm.
It has been registered in the name of Education Department, Your Lordship.
What is this plot number 403?
That is why, Your Lordship, I need further clarification in this regard, Your Lordship.
How much time?
2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Mr. S. Maul, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Y. Riram, Learned Government Advocate, who
One.
submits that though he has received the record as directed to be produced by this court by the order letter 1/2023. He needs more clarification from the authorities regarding the records he has received, for which we press for 2 weeks time. Has prayed for listed after 2 weeks.
Public.
Yes,
May I please, your lordship?
Hmm.
This is long pending case,
not influxes.
not in assessment.
Okay. Hmm.
And pertaining to appointment and MTS, my lord, multi-purpose task service in the Department of Health, my lord.
Health,
Health, my lord.
yes.
And my lord, the petitioners basically challenging the appointment of the my lord, private respondent hearing,
Hmm.
basically on the ground that my lord, they were not participated in the selection process. And by their affidavit, my lord, their stages, they have been appointed through other sources, my lord.
Okay.
And others, by other sources, they are saying that, my lord, the appointment was made through the state level, keeping the, my lord, the vacancy for specifically for them. And apart from that, my lord, they were already in the service as contingency staff. And they have not disclosed, my lord, even when they were serving in the department as contingency staff, and appointment is also not given, my lord. So that is the only thing, my lord, subject to lordships and availability of time, my lord. If matter is, my lord, disposed of.
Hmm. Yes.
So this is this, my lord, may I pray this matter?
You want the matter to be disposed of?
My lord, subject to your lordship's convenience.
Yes. All are ready.
In fact, they
Hmm?
are also ready.
Hmm?
That will be better speak up by the council for the two, lordship, the learned council.
Hmm.
Lordship, issue here is, in fact,
No, shall we begin with the hearing?
Lordship, I'll leave it to your lordship.
If we have to begin with the hearing, he will have to. Petitioner will have to open up the case. Are you ready?
Madam, I am ready, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Then what holds you back from arguing?
Madam,
Then what holds you back from arguing the case?
Madam, subject to Madam, the confirmation is because the Madam, if the submission starts, that it will take some few hours to complete, not hours.
Few hours
My lord,
for violation of Article 14.
my lord, violation of
Okay.
Article 14, my lord, my violation of the Article 21, my lord, and
21 also.
Uma Devi case also, my lord, and other things, my lord. There are so many things, my lord, which require to be taken into consideration is because, my lord, the appointment cannot be made, my lord, and in a surreptitious and in a casual manner, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, one has to at least pace the selection process in pursuance to the advertisement issued by the. And my lord, admittedly, some of the petitioners are going to be expired, my lord, age barred. And however, my lord, my lord, it still matter subsist if lordships interferes and directed the respondent authorities to at least accommodate the petitioner in their applied force, my lord, that will subject to the, my lord, the vacancy available, my lord, and that will suffice the also for purpose. My lord, petitioner number 1 is a my lord, class 12 passed, and petitioner number 2 is class 10 passed. Petitioner number 2 is petitioner number 3 holds a degree of Bachelor of Arts, my lord, and 10 pass, 12 pass, and BA, my lord, BA pass. And my lord, being the unemployed, educated youth, consistently looking for the, my lord, opportunity for their for job as per their qualifications for their sustenance. And in the meantime, what happened, my lord, my testimony is also given, my lord, even in fact that is not disputed, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, the respondent authorities issued an advertisement. Lordship will find the advertisement issued by the respondent authorities. My lord, all my testimony is given at the annexure 1 series, my lord. That is, my lord, will not go into that depth, my lord. Annexure 2 is the, my lord, the advertisement issued by the respondent authorities on 24 August 2016, my lord. Altogether, my lord, the various posts were issued for filling up of various posts, my lord. It is we being, my lord, applied for the post of second category, my lord. Lordship will find at serial number 2.
Page number?
Page number 25, my lord. Annexure 2. Page number 25. It is Roman 2. Category 2, multi-purpose worker, my lord. I'm sorry, I was under impression when the MTS, my lord. Not, I'm applied for the multi-purpose worker. My lord, the post advertised is 9 total post allotted 9, my lord, and 80% reserve means it comes to 5 posts, and 25 unreserved means 2 posts, and 25% for reserve 2 posts, and 20% unreserved, that is 2 posts. So altogether it comes to 9 postmen. And accordingly, my lord, call letters were issued by the respondent authorities to the petitioner number 1, petitioner number 2, and petitioner number 3, my lord. It is annexure 3 series. By fixing the date of the interview to be held on annexure, my lord, 3. It starts from annexure 3 series, my lord, page number 26.
What is this? Call letter?
Call letter, my lord. In call letter, my lord, date of examination, date of interview, my lord, everything is written, my lord, even my roll number also, my lord. And above just the roll number is M 250, my lord, petitioner number 1. Date of examination is written, my lord, 25th September 2016, Sunday. My lord, post applied, name of the post applied for MP W APST, my lord, candidate, and timing is also given, my lord, and venue is.
These 5 respondents were appointed against the.
Against the, my lord, the reserve post kept by the state respondent from the state authorities, my lord, from the state.
5 posts. 5 posts. 5 posts is what?
5 posts is for, my lord, it is open, my lord, unreserved, my lord.
Unreserved.
Yes, my lord.
22 posts is
For
reserved for
serving contingency,
contingency staffs.
contingency system. And two
And-
posts for unreserved, my lord. Meaning thereby this is open. It is unreserved, reserved, they made confused, my lord. Basically, 80% post is kept for the APST. Out of that 80%, it is again divided, my lord.
Why it is written as unreserved for APST?
Maybe, my lord, for within AP, my lord. First is for serving contingency staff, 25%. And 2% is for 20% is for unreserved. Therefore, it
No,
is.
there,
Yes. Yes.
Actually, my lord, the 5 post is meant for APST. It's been wrongly written as unreserved. It's unreserved in respect of the APST. Actually, it should be reserved. 80%. It's been wrongly written as unreserved. My lord, that part we have not clarified, but telephonically, my lord, I got clarification, my lord. That's
How
as reserved for
reserved for APST only,
reserved for APST.
my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in the
Then these 5 respondents
my lord.
were appointed under this category.
No, my lord. From other sources, as per their affidavit, they are saying that they were already in the service as contingency staff. And appointment has been made from the state, my lord, respondent.
All right,
From
come to the select list.
Select list, my lord. And the select list Annexa 4, page number 29, my lord.
29.
My name is appeared, my lord, next page number 30, serial number 8, name
Page
of
number
post,
30,
page number 30, my lord.
30.
30, my lord, of my writ petition.
Okay.
It is in serial number 8, name of the post, the MPW. And my name is at serial number 7, my lord.
7, 11, 12.
yes.
All right,
Correct, my lord.
okay. Now, who are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. This is the select list, my lord. This is the call letters, my lord, serial number 1 and the final select list. The written result, my lord. It is at serial number. Yes, my lord. Serial number 7, 11, and 12, my lord. Absolutely, my lord. This is correct, my lord. And the post, my lord, the final result, my lord, was published again on 21 October 2016. Wherein, my lord, I have been placed under waited list.
No, this is what? Written result.
Yes,
This is only
Okay.
written, well, page
Written.
30 is written result, and the subsequent page.
No. This is not written result. As for written exam,
My
so
lord.
interview conducted on.
Madam, yes. Now, madam, last sentence, last line, madam, you see at the page 29, the
Yes,
list of candidates selected for Viva Voice,
Madam.
against category. Madam, this is based on the
Okay,
written
okay.
performance. Now enlisted for Viva Voice,
yes, all kind of a confusion. You should simply say written examination.
My-
my lord, that's-
Yeah, interview conducted also.
My lord, this-
Second mistake, first mistake in reserve.
Okay,
Second
then
mistake.
this is page 31 is the final list.
Final result.
Yes, my lord.
You start created confusion from the advertisement
Yes.
there. Yes.
And my lord, as per the final select list after Viva Voice. And altogether, my lord,
Page 32.
page 32, my lord.
Hmm.
My name is at, my lord, recommended, my lord, or above me, up to 7, my lord, recommended.
You are at 8, 9, and 10.
Correct, man.
Okay.
And the person, my lord, for the same post of MPW, multipurpose worker contingency, my lord, we have already seen 2% reserve, kept reserve. 2 posts, sorry, it is better to my lord, clear. The 2 posts has been kept for serving contingency, my lord. Serial number 12, my lord.
12.
Yes, my lord.
Ah,
This is the person's two posts, my lord. Earlier 7 posts and these 2 posts, including 9 posts, my lord. Serial number 4, Miss Yomjum Pakam and Srimati Eo Loyu, my lord. They have been appointed and they were already in the department as contingency staff. This post has been, my lord, exhausted now.
we are not concerned with this.
No, my lord.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, after the filling up of this post and the appointment were given, my lord, of late we came to know from the RTI
No, no.
applications.
Where is the select list?
Select list, my
Page
lord.
32.
Page 32, my lord.
Where is your name?
My name, my lord, as I pointed out, my lord, I was placed under the waited list candidate, my lord, at
Eh.
serial number
8, 9, and 10.
8, 9, and 10, my lord.
Now, who are these serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
My
6, 7?
serial number 1, 2, they are press candidates who applied for the post and they have selected on their own merits, my lord.
They are supposed to appoint 5.
Correct, my lord.
Then from this select list, how many of them have been appointed?
My lord,
Up to 5.
in fact, my lord, as we've already seen, my lord, in the advertise.
Because name does not contain. It only contains roll number.
Yes, my lord.
Now, how many of them have been appointed from here?
From here, my lord, altogether 9 candidates has to be appointed, my lord.
9 candidates. Who are
Yes.
they?
My lord, 5 is for the APST out of the 22% contingency and 2% unreserved, my lord, meaning there
Yes.
were 9, my lord.
Who are the 5 APST appointed?
My lord, APST appointed is up
From-
to serial number from serial number 1 up to 7, my lord.
7%
Yes, my lord.
against the 5 vacancy.
No, my lord, 5 plus 2
5 plus 2, 2 means unreserved.
unreserved, my lord.
Okay. Who are the reserve candidates here?
Reserve candidate, my lord, serving contingency as lordship has seen based.
No, no. You are serving contingency is at serial number 12 at page 32.
Correct,
Serial number 12.
correct, my lord.
These 2 persons have been appointed. You are not concerned with because you are not a serving contingent employee. Is not it?
Yes.
So this appointment of these 2 candidates from serving contingent employee, we are not concerned.
Correct, my lord.
You
We are
leave
not-
it
We are
aside.
not concerned.
So there are 5 more posts for APST and 2 posts unreserved.
Unreserved, my lord.
Now, how they have been filled up from the select list?
Unreserved as per my lord, their contention is unreserved up to
No,
serial.
no, you will come to their
My
contention.
lord.
According to you, who all have been appointed in those 5 posts? These private respondents?
5 post is my lord. The appointment made to this private respondent number 1 to 9 is completely not in the picture, my lord.
Okay, just a moment. Who is this serial number 1?
Serial number 1, my lord, is serial number 1. Serial number 1 is my lord, by name, my lord, it is not given, but the serial number 1 recommended, my lord, M9 post, my lord, it is lordship may take your lordship to again page number 36.
Yes.
Page number 36, it starts from the serial number, my lord, 11, my lord. Serial number 11 is the serial number 1. Serial number 2 is the serial number 2. 12 is the 2. 13, 14, 15, 16.
Where are you reading? Page 36.
36, my lord. Name of the
Serial number 1.
my lord, appointment. This has been obtained through RTI, my lord. As per the RTI, the persons
So
is
these are the names
who are placed in serial number, my lord, 1 to 7, my lord.
at page 32.
Page 32, my lord.
From serial number 6.
6.
6 onwards.
No, my lord. not from 6, 11 to 16, my lord.
11 to 16.
11 to
Okay.
16, 16, my lord, 17 and 18 also, my lord.
All
They
right.
are the persons, my lord, appointed, my lord. They must be,
They have been appointed.
my lord, they have been appointed. As a
And
press candidate, my lord, on their own
Okay.
merits.
as for the select list,
Select list.
no, none of them are the private respondent
No.
here. Okay.
Now, private respondent, my lord, in the same, again, page number 36, my lord, private respondent is, it starts from serial number 6 to 10, my lord. Hoggam Riram, Engam Jirdo, Miss Yompi, Miss Doshum Jinin, Srimati Yanya Bagda. They are the private respondent number 1, 4 to 9, my lord.
Yes.
And what they wanted to demonstrate is they were already in the service before the selection process was initiated. Therefore, this has been inserted, my lord. But in their affidavit, none of them has furnished their appointment, even their, my lord, how they are drawing their salaries. And
This
that
is
is
what,
not
this is what information?
information, my lord, obtained throughout the RTA, my lord.
No, no. What was the information sought for in the RTI?
RTA, my lord,
Furnishing the detailed list of the candidates who were appointed in the post of MPW with appointment orders. Okay. All right.
and my lord, by this way, my lord, the 5 posts, my lord, they have appointed. Against 5 posts they have appointed. Against 2 posts they have appointed. Again, 2 posts, my lord, kept for the serving contingency at serial number 2, they have appointed. Now, altogether, my lord, all posts, 9, altogether 9 posts has been exhausted.
Yes.
Now, out of, my lord, this is the RTA documents obtained through, obtained by the petitioner, and the impugn appointment order is at annexure, my lord, 8 series. This is obtained through RTI, and appointment made by the respondent authorities in respect of the respondent number 4 is at page number 39, madam. My lord, may kindly see this 16 September 2016 is the date of order, madam. 16 September.
Yes.
And appointment has to be made if the advertisement is called for, my lord. The final select list is in the month of, my lord, October to 21 October 2016. But they purportedly, my lord, just wanted to show that the appointment was made prior to the, my lord, the advertisement. It is 16 September, whereas final select list was on October 21 October 2016. Then how the appointment can be made just after the interview, my lord? It is not their fact that, my lord, they have been already appointed before the interview was called for. And in that case, my lord, if they were already in the service as a contingency staff, then how that the post has not been exhausted, my lord? Where is the, my lord, the procedure for the appointment of the serving contingency? You have already kept the, my lord, the meaning there, my lord, 2 posts has already been kept for the serving contingency, meaning there, my lord, if 5 posts is not included, if it is included, my lord, it goes altogether 7 posts has to be kept as kept for serving contingency, my lord. But in the first, my lord, even if it is prior to, my lord, their appointment, if the post was vacant, then that could have been, my lord, added in the, my lord. This is the illegalities done by the, my lord, my lord. Now, my lord,
Yes.
my lord, appointment has shown to be, my lord, made much before the, my lord, the interview, my lord. Now the joining report, my lord, is very important, my lord. Joining report, when they have joined. My lord, may kindly see what they wanted to manufacture the documents, but it is not incomplete, my lord.
No, joining is immaterial.
However, my lord, it is in pursuance to the, my lord, my lord, may kindly see the joining. They have not joined before, my lord, how the advertisement was, before the advertisement, how they were served. And how after the advertisement, the final select list is published,
What do they say in their affidavit?
they are saying that no, they were already serving in the department for the last, and against that, out of that, my lord, they are appointed and a regular as regular candidate, my lord.
They are serving as contingent,
Contingency is there.
but they cannot appoint more than two.
Yes,
Hmm.
that is the case, my lord. So appointment, my lord, annexure, annexure after result, my lord, annexure, same annexure, my lord, page number, my lord.
That is
Please.
your case.
Yes, my lord, that is my case.
Then where
Page,
is
my lord, page number, my lord, appointment is page, just for a moment, may I take a lordship to just page number 40. When the
40.
appointment was, the, my lord, joining report, my lord. Just may I read, my lord.
Yes.
Joining report in pursuance to the order number so and so dated Nahalagan the 16th September, madam. Miss Hokkam Riram is appointed as multi-purpose worker on temporary basis in the skill fair and has joined this establishment, madam. And has joined establishment on 14 November 2016 forenoon. She is posted at PHE Lagumjini. If the appointment was made in the year, my lord, 2000, in the month of how this, there was no recruitment process. Nothing was done, my lord, from the Nahalagan. And they are saying that this is the state sources, how the appointment was made. But that is the allocated sort, my lord, the post for the each district. So appointment kept this post were kept reserved from the state, my lord, authorities, not from the district. And the appointment is, my lord, some of the joining report is of 1st November 2016 and 4th November as well, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, we made a representations for consideration of our case for appointment, but till date they have not yet considered, my lord. That is our pleaded case, my lord. That must only, my lord, as because they are, as per their affidavit, if we, my lord, go in depth, my lord, they have not, as I have already pointed out, the how appointment was made, my lord, how when the interview was conducted, and when the post was created. That is not reflected, my lord. Just they are only saying that no appointment has been made from the Nahalagan Directorate or Office of the Directorate, but the advertisement was called for by the from the district side. So how for the post of my lord, such MPW, my lord, for a district can be a, my lord, two sources and the two, my lord, the windows for appointment. So therefore, my lord, the appointment made in respect of private respondents by the respondent authority is totally illegal and arbitrary, my lord, denying my right to be appointed, my lord, to the post of my lord.
What is the educational qualification required
lord,
for MPWS?
MP is only for my lord, class 10 pass, class 10, my lord, if I remember correctly. Qualification, my lord, this is given specifically in advertisement. Class 10 pass, my lord. And then they are in their my lord, affidavit, they are not saying that even they are whether the holding the post of my lord, they are qualified or not. That is also not disclosed, my lord. Whether they are, my lord, the class 10 pass or 12 pass, that is not given, my lord.
Yes. Standing counsel.
My lord, as per the treatment, my lord, that part, my lord, all the advertised posts, my lord, that has been filled up on merit, my lord. Total 7 posts, that is 5 posts for FAST and 2 posts for non-FAST, and that all posts have been filled up by the FAST, my lord, in open.
Not non-APST, unreserved.
Yes, yes.
all appointments made were of the APSC only.
That 7 posts that have been filled up madam, on merit, and 2 posts is for contingency, but that also been filled up. Now, my lord, with regard to the my lord, the appointment of the private respondent. The private respondent, my lord, they have been appointed against the quota reserved for contingency staff, serving contingency staff, my lord. My lord, to see the sanction order. I'll just highlight the sanction order, my annexure, my lord, page 11, my lord. Just as my affidavit, my lord. First, that is creation of the post 23rd October 2015, multi-purpose post 150, my lord.
Just a minute. Affidavit by respondent 1 to 4, no?
Yes, my lord. Now, this is 150 post, my lord. Then, my lord,
Page number?
page number 11, my lord.
Yes.
150 post, my lord. Then thereafter, my lord, again subsequently 447 posts of multipurpose was created, my lord, at page 12 to 15, my lord. Relevant pages, page 15, my lord. By order that 13 April 2016, my lord, along with other posts, my lord, MPW was created at page 15, my lord. 447, my lord. This post was created. Now, my lord,
Page number?
page number, my lord, it starts from page 12 and relevant page is 15, my lord.
15. Yes.
MPW, my lord, number post 447, my lord, 447, my lord. Subsequent
Okay.
serial 47, my lord.
uh,
Now, my lord, this total post, 150 plus 447, my lord, created post of MPW. Now it comes to 597.
597 means?
Total MPW, total post strength.
Okay, 447 plus this
150
150.
comes
Okay.
to 597 total MPW
Okay.
created post in the department.
Yes.
My lord, this out of this, my lord, the 20%, my lord, has to be earmarked, my lord. My lord, you see,
Okay.
20%, my lord, as per RR, my lord, at page 16, my lord.
597 posts, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Where is the RR?
RR at my lord is page 16.
Yes.
Page 16, my lord, this 75% is for direct recruitment. And note, my lord, down below, my lord, 25% posts shall be appointed from the reserve, serving contingency staff, my lord, who have put minimum, my lord, 20 years and more continuous service, my lord.
20 years now. Okay.
Yes. Now,
Then just a moment. 20% of 597 is how much?
my lord, we have how this the quota allocation has been done, my lord. We have shown there at, my lord, page 4, my lord. Page 4. It starts from, my lord.
Well, it roughly it comes to 149.25
I'll just show the how this
against
Okay. Yes.
page 7, page 4, my lord. It's
Yes.
para 7, sub-para A, my lord. It's shown the departmental total created, my lord. Department Health and Family Welfare Government has created 597 posts of MPW by the order number shown, so that's my. As per cabinet decision, my lord, service of 356 contractual MPW were regularized against the created vacant post, and 9 posts were converted to RFW posts by the order number shown. Now see, my the remaining 232 posts of MPW were distributed as follows, madam. 3% disability quota, my lord. 7, it comes to 7. 5% compassionate appointment comes to 11. 5% sport quota comes to 11. 25 contingency comes to 58, my lord. Now,
Out of this 232.
yes, my lord, remaining 232.
Ah,
Now,
58.
yes, now this, the private respondent number 5 to 9, my lord, they have been appointed against this 58 post mean for case reserved for the contingency staff. My lord, C at D, my lord.
What happened to others? What happened to other posts?
Other posts, my lord, since it relates to the contingency staff, my lord. Other posts, my lord, is there since issue is with regard to the private respondent, my lord. Private respondent has been appointed under these 58 reserved contingency quota, my lord, and not from the direct recruitment.
So how this post is to be filled up? Contingency post is
My
to be
lord,
filled up?
contingency, actually, there's a, my lord, system, my lord, that is to be, that entire selection, the list is prepared in the district, my lord. Then its list is prepared in district, my lord. The contingency list is prepared. Basing on this list, the district selection committee is there, my lord. They forwarded, and basing on that, my lord, the appointment is made. Generally, my lord, in the contingency.
Where is that?
My lord, that part
Where
where
is that rule?
my lord, that will, my lord, will see. That rule we could not annex, my lord, but it's reflected at page 16, my lord. RR, my lord.
16.
Yes,
Let us see. 16.
my lord.
Yes.
Second, down below, second paragraph, my lord. Appointment of 25% contingency post shall be as per provision of OM that at 15 February 2011, my lord.
Shall be as per, okay.
My lord. Here, my lord, it talks about there should be a
Where is this OM?
OM, my lord.
15 February.
My lord, we could not annex this, my lord.
What contents there? 15 February 11?
My lord, as per this OM, my lord, district, my lord, it is headed by deputy commissioner. District selection committee is there, my lord. They prepared all the working staff, contingency staff. So as per their eligibility and as per requirement of department, they enlisted and shortlisted it. And whosoever task comes, they forward it to the authority for consideration of the appointment if there's a vacancy, my lord.
All right, then you bring it on record.
My lord,
This 15 February 2011.
my lord.
Kato,
My lord.
let us see this OM.
Correct, my lord.
Let him, okay.
My lord.
Uh,
My lord, as I pointed out, this is the irregular, serious mistake, my lord. Always the malpractices done in the department, my lord. How there can be a two window, my lord? Basically, if appointment is to be made for the, my lord, in respect of the, my lord, the Directorate Health Office, my lord, it has for specifically it has to be appointed.
And these 5 private respondents, they've completed how many years of service?
My lord, for that also I have to take instruction, my lord. That is silent.
Not a hearing,
my
then.
lord. My lord, in my instruction, my lord, so far, I cannot say at this time, my lord. I have to take.
Yes, you know, you're there.
Lordship, as per instruction, Lordship, they were serving since 2014, Lordship.
2014 only.
14.
You have not completed 20 years.
No, Lordship. And
Then we
20
don't need this OM. On that ground only their appointment can be set aside.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, there are certain things that need to be highlighted before your Lordship.
What things?
Lordship. The thing is how they
Only the relevant facts have to be highlighted.
Lordship, of course, Lordship.
Not anything and everything.
Lordship, the
We are
facts,
not, yes.
so the facts has already been highlighted, Lordship.
See,
There were
Tagum's submission is also questionable. He is trying to justify that he has been appointed under this quota. That also requires further examination. All right. But you say that you have been there since 2014 only.
Lordship, that is as per their instruction, Lordship, not clear one, Lordship. I need to take proper instruction in that case.
You will also-
They will not instruct wrong, my lord, information. But my lord, from the record,
Let
it
him.
it is 2016, my lord. Their appointment, my lord. It is
Their
clear,
No, as a contingency employee,
my lord.
2016.
2016. No.
Regular appointment only.
They, no. As lordship has already seen in the annexure 36, my lord, page number 36. This is the date of appointment when my lord, they were, no, this is not regular appointment. This is they were already appointed, my lord, and
Regular.
It's a regular appointment.
Which one?
regular appointment.
page number, my lord, 36, my lord.
Page 6,
Page number 36, serial number, my lord, their appointment, ma'am.
36.
Yeah.
This is,
Not
this is,
36, my lord. It is page number 39, my lord. It's the regular
Serial
appointment.
number.
No. 36 is also about the regular employee.
regular appointment, Lordship, appointed from 2016 to 2017, Lordship.
Now, my lord.
We are on the date of their appointment on contingency basis.
Initial
My lord.
He is
And-
saying 2014. That could be correct also.
And my lord, appointment, as per their joining report, my lord may kindly say fair use joining report, page number 44, my lord.
44.
Yes, ma'am.
No, that is after regular appointment were given.
Yes. Not initial contingency appointment, contingent appointment.
My lord,
It's a regular appointment.
that part, my lord, the affidavit of the, my lord, private respondent is clear, ma'am.
What does it say? The private respondent also, I think, does not talk about their contingent appointment. They will talk about regular appointment.
My lord. If they were appointed, there must be appointment order, at least some joining report, my lord, any correspondence. Simply making the statement will not suffice, my lord, the contention. Contingency, appointment भी होता ही है, normal. So when they themselves is not, my lord, clarifying the date of exact date of appointment, my lord, it is on affidavit, my lord.
All right. Heard Mr. M. Kato, learned counsel for the petitioners. Mr. T. Tagum, learned extending counsel for the health department, representing the state respondents, and Mr. J. Gini, learned counsel. Representing respondents 5 to 9. On the prayer of Mr. T. Tagum, learned standing counsel for the health department, 2 weeks' time is granted to enable him to bring on record the OM number AR dash 176/10 dated 15 February 2011. Which is an office memorandum under which twenty, sorry, 25% of the Group C non-ministerial posts with the government of Arunachal Pradesh is filled up. Yeah, and just OM dated 15 February 2011, which provides for filling up of 25% of 25% posts of Group C non-ministerial under the government of Arunachal Pradesh from contingent from serving contingent staff who have put in a minimum of 20 years and more continuous service. As mentioned in the General Arunachal Pradesh barber stroke cook stroke washerman stroke cobbler Group C within bracket non-ministerial common recruitment amendment rules 2011. Annex is annexer 2 to the counter affidavit filed by the Health Department. Stop. In addition thereto, Learned Standing Constable of the Health Department shall also bring on record as to when the respondents 5 to 9 were engaged as contingent staff in the department. Okay. Did we mention any time? Did we mention any time? How much time?
2 weeks will be too long, my lord, because the health of the health department. My lord, may I afraid that matter will be listed on 28, my lord. 28, my lord.
2/8.
2/8, my lord. Only just 2 days.
Yes.
Or else I will bring also, my lord.
Okay.
28.
To enable the Learned Standing Council for the Health Department to do the needful as above and as prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties listed on 28.
My lord, deeply appreciate. Deeply appreciate.
Okay, next week. Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. You want to fix that?
Tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. Not this week. Monday, any day, Monday onwards.
Tuesday.
Tuesday or Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yes.
Tuesday will be
19th. Nah?
26. We are today 19.
Today is 19.
Yes.
Okay, just a moment then. We have fixed it on 28 means. Okay, next week, no? Next week. Okay, next week. All right. Today is 19.
19.
Okay, then 26, no? All right, 26. 26.
My lord. One thing, my lord, I beg to mention, my lord, in item number 23, my lord.
Hmm.
I could not reach on time, my lord. I could not appear. Item number 23, my lord.
Yes, what is to be done?
So, my lord, my appearance may be reflected, my lord.
You did not appear.
I did not appear, my lord.
Huh?
I did not appear. I don't know 24 I appeared. I don't know 23 I couldn't appear, my lord.
Just find out item 20.
And my lord, interim order maybe continue, my lord. Interim order was here.
All right.
And my lord, one more thing, my lord. I have discussed with government advocate, my lord. Since earlier matter was fixed,
Mr. Kurdu,
my lord.
you seem to be a fairly young lawyer. If you intend to remain in this profession, this is no manner of practice, huh? To begin with the practice.